Judo and are not allowed in judo competition or free practice. It was also referred to as Kano Jujitsu until the introduction to the Olympic event. A judo practitioner is called a judoka, and the judo uniform is called judogi. The philosophy and subsequent pedagogy developed for judo became the model for other modern Japanese martial arts that developed from Koryu, shoot wrestling and submission wrestling. The early history of judo is inseparable from its founder, Japanese polymath and educator Kano Jigoro. Born Shinosuke Jigoro, Kano was born into a relatively affluent family. His father, Jirasaku, was the second son of the head priest of the Shinto Hyoshi Shrine in Shiga Prefecture. He married Sadako Kano, daughter of the owner of Kiku Masamune Sake Brewing Company, and was adopted by the family, changing his name to Kano. He ultimately became an official in the shogunal government. Jigoro Kano had an academic upbringing and, from the age of 7, he studied English, Shodo dojo at which to train. Early attempts to find a jujitsu teacher who was willing to take him on met with little success. Jujitsu had become unfashionable in an increasingly westernized Japan. Many of those who had once taught the art had been forced out of teaching or become so disillusioned with it that they had simply given up. Nakai Umanari, an acquaintance of Kano's father and a former soldier, agreed to show him kata, but not to teach him. The caretaker of Jirasaku's second house, Katagiri Ryuji, also knew jujitsu, but would not teach it as he believed it was no longer of practical use. Another frequent visitor, Imai Genshiro of Kyushin-yu School of Jujitsu, also refused. Several years passed before he finally found a willing teacher. In 1877, as a student at the Tokyo Kase School, a teacher of the Tenzing Shinryu of Jujitsu, who had a small 9-mat dojo where he taught 5 students. Fukuda is said to have emphasized technique over formal exercise, sowing the seeds of Kano's emphasis on randri in judo. On Fukuda's death in 1880, Kano, who had become his keenest and most able student in both randri and kata, Iso placed more emphasis on the practice of kata, and entrusted randri instruction to assistants, increasingly to Kano. Iso died in June 1881 and Kano went on to study at the dojo of Ikubo Tsunetoshi. In February 1882, Kano founded a school and dojo at the Ishoji, and Kano had not yet received his Menkyo in Kito-yu. This is now regarded as the Kodokan founding. The Ishoji dojo was originally shown. It was a relatively small affair, consisting of a 12-jo training area. Kano took in resident and non-resident students, the first 2 being Tomita Sunjiro and Shioro Saigo. In August, the following year, the pair were granted Shodan grades, the first that had been awarded in any martial art. Central to Kano's vision for judo were the principles of Seryoku Zenyo. In short, resisting a more powerful opponent will result in your defeat, whilst adjusting to and evading your opponent's attack will cause him to lose his balance. His power will be reduced, and you will defeat him. This can apply whatever the relative values of power, thus making it possible for weaker opponents to beat significantly stronger ones. This is the theory of Ju-yoku Go-o Sisu. Kano realized that Seryoku Zenyo, initially conceived as a jujitsu concept, had a wider philosophical application. Coupled with the Confucianist-influenced Jita-kyoei, the wider application shaped the development of judo from a bujutsu to a budo. Kano rejected techniques that did not conform to these principles and emphasized the importance of efficiency in the execution of techniques. He was convinced that practice of jujitsu while conforming to these ideals was a route to self-improvement and the betterment of society in general. He was, however, acutely conscious of the Japanese public's negative perception of jujitsu. At the time of few bujutsu, meaning way, road, or path, which implies a more philosophical context than jutsu and has a common origin with the Chinese concept of Tao. Thus Kano renamed it judo. There are 3 basic categories of waza and atami waza. Judo is mostly known for Nage waza and Katame waza. Judo practitioners typically devote a portion of each practice session to yukimi, mei yukimi, and zenpo kaiten yukimi. The person who performs a waza is known as tori and the person to whom it is performed is known as uke. Najwaza include all techniques in which Tori attempts to throw or trip uke, usually with the aim of placing uke on his back. Each technique has 3 distinct stages. Najwaza are typically drilled by the use of uchikomi, repeated turning in, taking the throw up to the point of kake. Traditionally, Najwaza are further categorized into tachiwaza, throws that are performed with Tori maintaining an upright position, and sutemi waza, throws in which Tori sacrifices his upright position in order to throw.